Hello, this is Eugene, and welcome to another episode of Teachers Driving Home. Today, I am heading back to the building to clean out lockers. I'm just going to clean out one of my class lockers, so I don't have to worry about cleaning everybody else's lockers, just my class. So I've got some Kroger bags here, so I can put the stuff on the kids' bags, put the stuff inside the kids' bags, and then after that, I'm gonna slap a label with their name on it, and the parents are gonna pick them up later on this week. So you all please pray for me. Not that I catch the Rona, but I won't catch anything that's inside of those lockers, because there's been some horror stories about what they find in those lockers. So peace out. This is Eugene with another episode of Teachers Driving Home, reminding you to stay safe and to keep both of your eyes on your road to success.